Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long. Yeah. It's been long ever since I literally posted a video of my school, I think. Yeah, IRL vlog. Yeah. So basically, I wanted to continue building my house again because it looks very bland. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the house tour, and I know y'all can see the characters and the sides. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my roommate's room, and then in the end I'll tell y'all what my characters and who they are. So basically, this is my roommate's room. She has a dog, and here she sleeps, and then here she works. But in this box she has a lot of snacks. If she Sorry guys, I'm back. Yeah. What was I about to say? Yeah, she'll eat this when she's hungry. And here she has her little vanity. Yeah, this is actually kind of similar to my old house. And she has all of this stuff, a wand and all. And here is a sofa and a TV, so she can chill or have a movie night with her other roommates. But here I don't know what to do. What? Oh my god. I'm very, very sorry for that. Okay. I just put it random stuff here because low key, when I put it the stuff and I was doing something here, I forgot. And then suddenly it's gone. So I just did what I did. Here, all the girls are chilling, having fun watching this movie. And this is a picture of the girl who owns this and her friend or best friend. I'll tell you all that later. And here it's empty because I was too lazy to do it. And here is the other roommate. And this is her. Here she has her vanity where she sleeps, and then when she comes down, she'll have her desk, normal girl stuff. And you might be wondering, oh, this is just makeup. No, it's not. It's another stash of food. Isn't that crazy? Okay. And she has her pet, a squirrel? Yeah, a squirrel. And she has her phone here. And her makeup here, and her clothes are in here, and her blush is also in here. Bro, my mom keeps reminding us. Oh my gosh, I just feel bad. Okay. Anyways, yeah, next to her room is the bathroom. And also credits to Gohar. I mean Toca Gohar, because this whole house is based from her, and these two rooms are made by me. So yeah. And Here is the bathroom. Of course, this is where you wash your hands, shower, chill. And of course, there's 3 masks for us 3 girls. Slay. And of course, pads. Low key, I love how Toca Boca added that. Because like low key, that would be good for a road place. And here we have like the kitchen, fridge, like that. And also, I thought this area was like a door so you can like go. So I'm thinking I could use that as a door. And here is my pet Milo. I thought of a name like this because like I have Milo in my kitchen. I mean my mom's kitchen. So yeah, this is where we eat or else here. I don't know. I don't know why I added that. Finally, my room and with my bestie. Oh, okay. So this is where I sleep, where I study or watch my phone. And here are random stuff. And again, credits to Gohar. Bro, she comes up with the craziest houses. I love it. I love it. Oh, wait. Y'all are eating, so wait. Guys, just wait. I'm eating. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. This is me, of course. This, I don't know. She's my roommate. And this, guess who? I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Okay, I'll just count. Okay, this is Reese. Yeah, I couldn't come up with someone who's my 3rd roommate. But hey, I thought of her. But I low-key feel like this could be Miss Ba. Yeah, she could be Miss Ba. Yeah. For some reason, I couldn't find a hair that's like hers, like Reese's. I don't know. But, huh? So yeah, this is Reese, this is me, and this is Miss Ba. So yeah, that's all for today. ask me if you need more role plays because I'm very free. I have no school. So yeah, bye.